friends. If you're part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing like a Saturday morning vlogging. We were gonna do pancakes, but we feel like we wanna do French toast because we have the most yummy bread in the world, which I'm gonna show you in a little bit. So we're gonna start doing it, and where I'm like, wait, we should totally film this so we can show you guys what we do on Saturday mornings when we don't have like huge plans and we're just home and we want to have a nice breakfast. Like I said, we usually do pancakes, right? So today we're gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna show you how we do our French toast. So yeah, we're about to start cooking and I had nothing on my face. I still have my pajamas on.
But I don't. And
my slippers. But she's changed. So I ran upstairs and just put a little bit of something on my face so y'all don't get scared away. So if you guys want to see how we do our French toast or how we have breakfast, what do we say? Keep watching.
Keep watching.
Keep watching. Alright, first things first. This video is not sponsored by Nature's Own, I promise. This bread, I discovered it maybe like 2-3 weeks ago. It's by Nature's Own, perfectly crafted, thick sliced white. When I tell you this is like the softest bread in the world, it is so good. And it's so thick. It's not gluten-free. It's not I'm not sure if it's vegan. I'm not sure if it has eggs in it, or I'm sure it has eggs in it and like milk and stuff. Anyways, it's just delicious. That's it. Well, it's non-GMO, which is good, but it is just so good. This is the perfect French toast bread. So let's get started. But this is the bread that we are using. All right, here we go. So we have all of our ingredients here, and as we're putting them in the bowl, Lucy is gonna help me. Look at my assistants over here, guys. This is how. Whoops, sorry. Nathan is changing the garbage. This is what Saturday morning looks like. Look, he's on his PJs and he's on the counter helping us out, or trying to help us out. Okay, so we have our bowl here and we're going to crack 3 eggs. Go ahead, Lucy, do your thing. Two, no. 3. Lucia's gonna go ahead and stir them up, break them up. Good job.
Mi mami?
No, todavía no, yo te aviso. Alright, so now we're doing 10 breads, 10 French breads, or French toast bread. We're trying to go dairy free. So we're gonna be using coconut milk. You can use regular milk. We're just using coconut milk, okay? So go ahead, Lucia, hold this. And we're gonna do 1/2 cup. Okay, pour it in there. Okay, put it in the sink and you can wash your hands. Stir it. Next, we're gonna put some vanilla. We're gonna put 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. So not the whole thing, Mommy, I'll do it, okay? 1/4 teaspoon. Go ahead. Next, we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of sugar. We use like all natural raw sugar. Can you open that, Mommy? Good job. Wonder Woman over here. We do 1 teaspoon all the way in, all the way. Perfect. Okay. Stir it. And next we're gonna put a little bit of cinnamon. We like cinnamon?
Yes.
You know?
We love cinnamon.
We love cinnamon. Just
do it.
Mommy's gonna do it.
Then I'm gonna be way too scared and I'm gonna add way too much.
Go ahead and stir it a little faster, Lucy. Alright, so we're ready. Now we're going to get our bread and we're going to dip them in there and they're going to go in the skillet. Alright, here we go. So these are all the breads that I told you guys. Like I said, these are like the fluffiest. Our hands are clean because we washed them. But these are, look how thick they are. And they're like the softest breads ever. Okay, so this is how it goes. I already have my pan here. It's heating up. My skillet. I'm gonna do the first one, so I'm gonna show them, Lucy, okay? So we're gonna get them and literally just dip them in there, just like that. sound. Lucia, you do the next one. You're gonna put it right on top. One side. Other side. Get close. Good job, Lucy. Hold on, because it has to be like that. All right. All right, here we go. So we're gonna flip them. So we usually put them for like a minute or two. That's how you want them to come out. Look at that. Beautiful. We're gonna do the other one. Ooh, that looks good. Wow, Lucy is doing pretty much all of it. Good job, Lucy. So I'm gonna leave now. I'm gonna go do some groceries, and I'll leave Lucia cooking here, okay?
I think we need more.
So this is the first time that we used this bread to make French toast. Nathan. And I guess they really soaked up a lot of the juice over here, the batter, so we had to go ahead and make some more, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, because we still have those that we gotta do.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 more, so I hope
4 more. Okay. All right, guys, so here is one of our French toast, and I'm gonna show you now what we do to assemble it. Assemble this beauty. So first things first, we're gonna put some fruit because obviously we want this to be healthy, kind of, right? I'm gonna put some strawberries. We're gonna grab some bananas. This looks so good, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and use some maple syrup, 100% maple syrup, a little healthier. You can also use honey, pancake syrup, agave. We're gonna put just a little drizzle on top. And the last thing that we do, yes, to make it even more healthier, we're gonna put some powdered sugar right on top. Like Christmas morning, it's snowing in here. Oh my gosh, it's so good. All right, here we go. So we actually had to double the recipe because our toasts were so thick. So if you're gonna use thick, fluffy toast like the one that we used, just double the recipe. So double the milk, the eggs, the cinnamon, the vanilla, all that, just double it up. What is Ethan doing back here? He's playing with his Legos, as you can see. Anyways, that is how we do our French toast. We might show you some footage now of us eating it, but it's so good. It's so good. I have the best assistant in the world right here. She did most of it, I'm just saying. Thank you so much. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and eat it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys try this recipe or if you guys have done it yourselves or how you guys do your French toast. We would love to know. What else do we usually put on French toast? We put like Nutella.
Yes.
Anyways, we'll stop there because I'm getting hungry. I want to eat. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Hello friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It actually means the world to me that you guys actually take the time out of your busy day to watch my videos. I have a few messages for you guys. It won't take long at all, I promise. All right, so number one, I accept prayer requests. So if there's anything that you are going through, anything that you want prayer over, just go ahead and contact me either through a comment below, an email, private message, whatever way that you want, so I can add you to a prayer list that me and my family have, and we pray for every single day. We have seen the power of prayer in our lives, and we want to share that with you guys. All right, number two, if you are on Instagram, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I go live Monday through Friday and I do a small devotional / Bible study, anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, but it's just something that you guys can listen to throughout the day to get you connected to the Lord and to His Word.
And lastly, number 3, if you are not following me, totally subscribe, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I would love for you to join our family. We have so much fun here. I do my best to upload twice a week, usually Tuesdays and Fridays, and I do videos about anything and everything. I do beauty, I do fashion, I do recipes, I do about my life, I do hauls, I do some of my favorite products. Honestly, a little bit of everything where my kids are involved, and it's just so much fun. So I would love for you to join our family if you want. All right, that's about it. Thank you so much. Love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.